Hello guys, today we are starting our next chapter, that is the binomial theorem. Binomial. In earlier classes we have learned how to find the square, cube of two terms. Suppose a plus b and after that its whole square. This is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b and after that its whole square. This is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b and after that its cube. This is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So you have seen that if power is 2, then number of terms 3. If power is 3, then number of terms are 4. So we will here learn how to find a plus b raised to power n, where n is any integer, positive integer, greater than or equals to 2. अब a plus b raised to power n, then number of terms will be n plus 1, यानी उससे एक ज़्यादा होगी. Now come to the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle means to say whose index is 0, then number of terms. Suppose a raised to power 0, that means 1. And if index is 1, index means to say power. Index is 1, then the coefficient will be, there are two terms, 1, 1. And if index is 2, then the coefficient of the terms 1 and after that 1 plus 1, 2 and after that 1. If index is 3, then 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3 and last 1. If index is 4, so 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4 and last 1. If index is 5, then 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, 4 plus 1, 5 and after that 1. In this way you can find the coefficient of the terms having index more than 0. So by this way, if you find a plus b raised to power n, this is equals to n c0, a raised to power n, b raised to power 0 plus next term is n c1, a raised to power n minus 1, b raised to power 1 plus n c2, a raised to power n minus 2, b raised to power 2, means a की पावर एक एक कम होती जाएगी और b की पावर एक एक बढ़ती जाएगी, up to last n c n, a raised to power n minus n 0, b raised to power n. And you are very well known about how to solve nc0, nc1, nc2 up to ncn. Now we can solve it by an example. Suppose you want to find out 2x plus 3y raised to power 5. So this is equals to 5c0, 2x raised to power 5, 3y raised to power 0 plus 5c1, 2x raised to power 5 minus 1, 4, 3y raised to power 1 plus 5c2, 2x raised to power 5 minus 2, 3 and 3y raised to power 2 plus 5c3, 2x raised to power 2, 5 minus 3 and 3y raised to power 3 plus 5c4 2x raised to power 5 minus 4 1 3y raised to power 4 plus 5c5 2x raised to power 0 and 3y raised to power 5. Now 5c0, this is 1 into 2x raised to power 5, 2 raised to power 5, that is 32, x raised to power 5, 3y raised to power 0, this is 1, plus 5c1, that is 5, 2 raised to power 4, 16, into x raised to power 4 into 3y, plus 5c2, 5c2, that is a 10, 2 raised to power 3 यानी 8 x क्यूब, 3y raised to power 2 यानी 9 y square, plus 5c3, that is 10, 2 raised to power 2 4 x square, 3 cube यानी 27 y cube, plus 5c4, that is 5 into 2 into x into 3 raised to power 4, so 27 into 3, that is 81 y raised to power 4, plus 5c5, that is 1, 2x raised to power 0, that is 1, 3y raised to power 5, so 81 into 3, that is 243 y raised to power 5. Now this is equals to 1 into 32, 32x raised to power 5, 16 into 5 80, 80 into 3, that is 240, x raised to power 4, 8 9 the 72 into 10, that is 720, x cube y square, plus 27 into 4, 81080, x square y cube, plus 5 to the 10 into 81, that is 810 y 4, plus 243 y raised to power 5. This is a complete solution of how to find 2x plus 3y raised to power 5. Now, same as this procedure, if you have given 2x minus 3y raised to power 5, so this is also equals to 5c0 2x raised to power 5 minus 3y raised to power 0, प्लस अब ये हमने माइनस एज इट इज ऐसे ही चलाना है, 5c1 2x रेज टू पावर 4 माइनस 3y रेज टू पावर 1 प्लस 5c2 2x रेज टू पावर 3 माइनस 3y रेज टू पावर 2 प्लस 5c3 2x raised to power 2 and minus 3y raised to power 3 plus 5c4 2x raised to power 1 minus 3y raised to power 4 plus 5c5 2x raised to power 0 minus 3y raised to power 5. तो इसी टाइप से हमारे पास कुछ टर्म्स इसमें नेगेटिव आ जाएंगी और कुछ टर्म्स इसमें पॉजिटिव आ जाएंगी. क्वेश्चन सेकंड, दैट इज कंप्यूट 98 रेज टू पावर 5. अब 98 को जब हम 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर डिफिकल्ट है बताना, ठीक है. तो इससे हम क्या करेंगे, बाइनोमियल थ्योरम से सॉल्व करेंगे. बाइनोमियल मीन्स टू से यू कैन राइट इट एज 100 माइनस 2 रेज टू पावर 5. Now 5c0 100 raised to power 5 minus 2 raised to power 0 plus 5c1 100 raised to power 5 minus 1 4 and minus 2 raised to power 1 plus 5c2 100 raised to power 3 and minus 2 raised to power 2 plus 5c3 100 raised to power 2 and minus 2 raised to power 3 plus 5c4 100 raised to power 1 and minus 2 raised to power 4 plus 5c4 100 raised to power 0 minus 2 raised to power 5. Now 5c0 that is 1, 100 raised to power 5 plus 5c1 5 into minus 2 that is minus 10 into 100 raised to power 4 5c2 that is 10 2 to the 4 10 into 4 40 100 and its cube plus 5c3 that is also 10 and 2 raised to power 3 that is 8 and minus 2 raised to power 3 है, that's why it's negative 8 80 हो गया 10 8 into 10 now 100 raised to power 2 plus 5c4 that is 5 and minus 2 raised to power 4 that is 16 into 100 plus यहाँ 5c5 आएगा 5c5 that is 1 100 raised to power 0 that is 1 and minus 2 raised to power 5 यानी minus 32. So this is equals to, after solving this you will get this answer. Now question number 3rd, which is larger 1.01 raised to power 10 lakhs or 10,000? 1.01 raised to power means to say 1.01 can be written as 1 plus 0.1 raised to power 10 lakhs. So now using binomial C0 1 raised to power into 0.1 raised to power 0 plus C1 and 1 raised to power this minus 1. अब 1 की पावर कितनी भी हो वो 1 ही आएगा, इसलिए हम यहाँ लिखना छोड़ रहे हैं 0.1 रेज टू पावर 1 हो गया प्लस नेक्स्ट C2 1 रेज टू पावर इसमें से 2 माइनस करके रिमेनिंग आ जाएगा आपका एंड 0.1 रेज टू पावर 2 हो गया प्लस अप टू लास्ट टर्म दैट इज 10 lakhs C 10 lakh and 0.1 raised to power 10 lakhs. Now this C0 that is a 1 and 1 raised to power something that is 1 and 0.1 raised to power something that is 1. Next 10 lakhs C1 यानी 10 lakhs हो गया 0.1 raised to power 1 0.1 प्लस नेक्स्ट है आपके पास 10 lakhs C2. अब हमें इसे सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ऑल आर पॉजिटिव, दैट मीन्स समथिंग कोई ना कोई पॉजिटिव टर्म ही होगी. नाउ 1 प्लस 10 lakhs इंटू 0.1 यानी 1/10 हो गया, 0 से 0 कैंसिल. यहाँ 1 लाख प्लस 1 हो गया. अब 1 लाख प्लस 1 definitely this is greater than 10,000. So which is larger? This one is larger. यानी 1.01 raised to power 10 lakhs is larger. Now next question, using binomial theorem prove that 6 raised to power n minus 5n always leaves remainder 1 when divided by 25. Now 6 raised to power n, you can write it as 1 plus 5 raised to power n. So solve it by binomial. 1 plus 5 raised to power n, that is nc0, 1 raised to power n and 5 raised to power 0, plus nc1, 1 raised to power n minus 1, 5 raised to power 1, plus nc2, 1 raised to power n minus 2 and 5 raised to power 2, plus nc3, 1 raised to power n minus 3 and 5 raised to power 3, plus nc4, 1 raised to power n minus 4, 5 raised to power 4, plus up to ncn, 1 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 5 raised to power n. Now nc0 that is 1, 1 की power n that is 1, 5 raised to power 0 that is 1, plus nc1 यानी n इंटू 5, 1 की पावर यहाँ जितनी भी हो वो 1 ही रहेगा, nc2 that is n इंटू n minus 1 upon 2, 5 square that is 25, plus nc3 यानी 5 का क्यूब that is 125, plus 5 raised to power 4 that is 625 into nc4 up to so on, 5 raised to power n into ncn. Now 6 raised to power n, अब इस 5n को जब आप लेफ्ट साइड लेके आ रहे हो तो माइनस 5n हो गया. दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 1 प्लस, अब इन टर्म्स में से अगर आप 25 कॉमन ले लो, रिमेनिंग आपका यहाँ क्या रह गया, दैट इज nc2 है ये. नेक्स्ट यहाँ 5 इंटू nc3 हो गया. नेक्स्ट यहाँ 25 इंटू nc4 हो गया, प्लस 5 रेज टू पावर n माइनस 2 इंटू ncn दैट इज 1. So 25 into something, this is a k. 6 raised to power n minus 5n. तो 6 raised to power n minus 5n जब आप इस टर्म को 25 से डिवाइड करोगे तो ये तो होगा 25 का मल्टीपल ही है. सो ऑलवेज लीव्स रिमाइंडर 1. By this way you can solve all the questions of exercise 8.1. Solve these questions and ask the problems if you have any. Thank you and have a nice day.